Have your quarter piece of pepper. I'm going to roast it off. You can roast off a whole pepper, but we don't need to because you don't need to waste that much pepper. All you need is a quarter pepper. Put it on the fire. And you're going to think, oh my gosh, it's burnt. It's not going to be burnt. Not at all. Directly on the fire.
Blue cheese in the middle of that pepper. So just put the meat and just like pancake in there.
Was it good? I'm going to cut up some bacon. I don't care what your bacon looks like, because you can take it out and crumble it. You can use it. You don't have to. It's part of the garnish for the green beans. I'm going to use the oil from the bacon. Because some of you are wondering, like, oh my gosh, it's burning the heck out of that bacon or the pepper.
It's just the skin.
It's just the skin, exactly.
It's going to come off.
Oh my gosh, a little bit longer. Let's see.
If you was doing it whole, would you use the method of putting it in the paper bag to let it sweat?
I'm still going to put it in the bag. Ian gets the plastic wrap out. We're still going to wrap it in plastic wrap. Pull out a 12-inch piece and hang on to it. It's like the risotto. It's absorbed almost? No, it keeps on absorbing. It's still wet in the bottom of the pan. There, this is cooking very slowly. So is it burnt? You're like, oh my gosh, you burnt the pepper. Some of you might think that. It's roasted, it's charred. So you don't have gas at home, you have electric at home, use your broiler. You don't get it this brown, but it still works. You have to do cases after cases after cases of this. That's your job. Sure, brown a couple of them up, stick the rest of them in a deep fat fryer. Yeah. Let's see, I told you somebody would be thinking you'd be burned.
So why do you just burn a couple so you get the flavor?
You get the flavor, yes, you get the flavor on it, and it still gets a roasted appearance on it because the skin comes off of it. As it's in the fryer, then you pull it out of the fryer and you wrap it up the same way.
You get a strap after you heat it and surround it. Sweat it even more.
Yeah, you can sweat it even more. The paper sack. So roasted pepper. That will roast it for you nice. Hear the difference on the rice? The moisture is gone. So another ladle. Ooh, that's a hot one.
So when it starts to dry up, that's when you add.
Add another one, yes, but don't want to burn it. I have more stock. No seasoning yet. You can add seasoning, but what happens when it reduces? It's concentration. But then again, you need the rice to get absorbed into it too. We'll add rice later, or salt later. Well, this is a 4-ounce ladle. Add it twice. But I don't know. It depends on what your temperature is at too. 4-ounce ladle. Another thing I'm going to do is, why is it called risotto Milanese?
Saffron.
Exactly. Saffron. I'm going to get more heat there to help steam it. Saffron. I'm going to add a little bit of saffron right here. Not a lot. I'll walk around and give everybody a little bit of saffron. And something about saffron. And about they call it mellow yellow.
Oh no.
They call it mellow yellow. It's the wrong mellow yellow. Okay, so put a little saffron. So Milanese means it has to have saffron. Okay, for the risotto. It's the same as the chicken stock. Turn it nice and yellow. It's going to turn the risotto nice and yellow. It's going to have a nice flavor with it. Risotto or saffron is a water-soluble spice. It's not oil soluble, so you don't want to saute it. You can, but it's not going to extract out as much or leach out enough of that color and flavor as it will be with the stock. You come over here, stir, 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 stir. Yeah. All right, so green beans. Blanch, shock, drain.